Hello and welcome back to another episode of VehicFix.com. So today we have a 2007 Honda Accord. It's a 2.4 four-door sedan automatic, okay? And I don't know if you've had this problem with yours at all. Let me switch around the camera and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so here's the key, right? You turn it on once and then you go to hit it again. You hear the buzzing in the lower kick panel. So what that means is you actually got to change the complete ignition lock cylinder and possibly behind it the ignition switch, okay? Two separate pieces. You're looking pretty penny. I believe it's about 300 plus for the ignition lock cylinder and about $60 plus for the electrical portion, the ignition switch, okay? But that is the two pieces that you have to change on your 2007 and I believe below Honda Accord. I think they've fixed the problem 2008 and above, okay? But what usually happens is either the key gets worn out or whatnot, or the electrical portions inside of the ignition lock itself start to go bad. If you do it quick or slow, you hear the buzzing, and then if you let it go, then you can start it up no problem, all right? But that is the issue.
If you like this video, click subscribe and the notification bell to get notified of future videos.